welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another quarantine stuck in the home video. So in today's video, I figured, spending my time useful here at home and get everything that I haven't gotten the chance to do around the house. This is the perfect timing to do so. I've been wanting to do this for weeks now. I just haven't gotten the chance to do that. I ordered these strip LED lights from Amazon, and I've been seeing this trend a lot on TikTok, people decorating their rooms. I already have a custom LED sign in my room that I got months ago. It's my name, it's my custom name. I actually handwritten it myself, and I don't think I've ever showed it to you guys. I was waiting till my beauty room tour to show you it, but I think since this video is all about transforming my room with LED lights, I figured I'd show you guys that. So I'll show you guys in a second. I have that sign in front of me in that wall over there, but behind me, things are looking a little bit dark, as you guys can see. And I figured if I put strip LED lights in my closet all around this part of the closet, it would just give it such a nice decor and vibe to the room. There's so many strip lights that you guys can get. I got mine off of Amazon. Did I get it off of Amazon? I think I did. I'll link it down below. And I was just researching, like, what is it that I want? There's so many different things that you guys can get with strip lights. You can get just a standard one color strip light where you could change the color, but it's just one solid color, whether it's Bluetooth, it can connect with your Alexa. So it depends on what you're looking for. But I really wanted something that's like multicolor, not just a solid color, the one that like you can have like different colors mixed together at once. So I came across this one. It's called Govee. This is how it looks like. So I haven't opened it up yet, but it comes with an app, so you can connect your app with it. Okay, so let's just talk about what comes in the box. So here is two of it. So you might need some connectors, which I did a lot of research and I figured I might need that. So I bought some connectors. Everything that I use I'll list down below, but I bought off of Amazon as well. That way you can connect both of them together and cut them up and all of that kind of good stuff. So let me show you guys first the before of how this looks like. You guys can already see the vibe of the room. It's kind of dark and needs some life to it. So one thing I did add in here, so as I'm decorating this room, I did add like a little lamp. I just got this off of IKEA. This was like an extra thing that I had in my room, and it just gives it like a nice vibe. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are new here, I would love it if you can hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and let's begin. All right guys, so this is what we're working with no strip lights attached. You can kind of see the vibe of the room. This is the strip light that I have right now in my room. This is my name that I handwritten, and then I just got it custom made. It says my name, but in the middle, if you see here, there's an L. I kind of just didn't want to put my name. I kind of wanted to do something cool. So I'm like, well, this is my glam room. So it could be my name, Nagam, N-A-G-A-M. And then if we add an L in the center right here, that part reads as glam. And then I just put some lips. So if we turn it on, this is the LED light that I have. Guys, well, update, joke on me. I've been trying to figure out the multicolor feature for like an hour now, and it looks like I actually ordered the long strip lights. So those specific strip lights that I ordered doesn't give you like the multicolor that I'm looking for. So we're gonna have to finish off this video in a week. I'm gonna place the order right now on Amazon. If you're not looking for a multicolor, these will work fine, but I really want like a multicolor feature. I feel like it looks much nicer. So I'm gonna have to order that, and Amazon Prime is gonna take a little bit longer because of the situation that we're in. So I'll see you guys in a week with the right strip light. Alright guys, guys, so we meet again for the third time. I had to film this 3 times because you guys already know what happened the first time. I ordered the wrong one. The second time, the mic was off and I didn't have enough to fit the entire closet, so I had to order another one. So I had to wait an extra week to order another one, which is right here. But I did install one already and I have it in this middle section right here. I honestly was very lazy and didn't even use the connectors. So when I reached like the corners, I just kind of bent it and made it work. I was planning on doing it like right here from the back, over here, and then on the other side. But I'll show you guys in a second how it looks. I feel like there's no need to put here and here. I can just put in the back towards the wall, and that will be enough to let the wall glow up and then bounce back to give it that effect. So let me turn this on real quick. I downloaded the app and I made sure that I have the right one, which is the multicolor. Like I said, I already installed it. So actually, let me show you guys how it looks like. So this is the right package that you guys want. It comes much bigger than the original one. Obviously, if you just wanted one solid color, then you're okay with the other one. But this one has the multicolor, which I'll show you guys how it looks in a second. It looks so pretty, but it basically has the same thing as the first one. So here's some manual. Here is one of the strip lights, and it comes with another one. Also in the box, we have the switch. So we have the adapter or the plug, and then we have the connectors. We have some alcohol wipes, which I used at the beginning, but then it wasn't like enough for the entire closet, so it's not really necessary. And then these 3M tapes with like screwers. I couldn't figure out how to use those 3M tape. I think they're there for like extra security to like stick it on better if you needed more. I couldn't figure out what this hook was all about, so I didn't really use them. The tape that it comes with already comes with that 3M tape, so it secured it fine. And it comes with the plug that you plug into the wall. So what I realized, the way to find out the difference between solid colors and multicolors is they have to have this like black dot on the strip. And this has actually some sort of protection on it, if you guys can see. It's like a thick, glossy, I don't know what they call it. The other one didn't have it. The other one was just like paper. And I downloaded the app. The app makes it much more easier and convenient. I haven't used the on and switch whatsoever. I turn it on and I turn it off through the app. I can create custom colors. I can change colors. I can set a timer. I can set scenes, all that kind of good stuff with the app. So that's really convenient. And obviously if you have like Alexa or whatever, you could set it up through there. So let me turn it on. I think it's on white right now. All right, did you guys see a difference? It's on, it's on. So it's only on right here because obviously it did not fit on the entire closet, which is what we're gonna do right now. So it only fits in this section. I'll show you guys obviously the full look once it's all done. But this is the white, which I love. When I turn the lights off, you could really see it clear. This is the white, so it's settled, it's very beautiful. I created a custom one. Let me show you guys how that looks. It's so pretty. I just created like a bunch of colors. It has light pinks, turquoise, hot pinks, purples, all that kind of good stuff. So you could really customize it in any way. So before we play around with the whole thing and show you guys the complete look, let's go ahead and finish putting the second strip on. Okay guys, so I'm grabbing my iPhone so I can show you guys in a different view. When you're doing this, depending on where you're gonna put it, you gotta strategically think about the placement of the wire and where to start so you're not like looping around multiple times and wasting string lights if you're trying to make an entire section fit. So I strategically planned putting it in the center first, and then we're gonna finish off the rest with the second wire. Okay, so for this wire, I'm gonna start right here, from right here, take it all the way up through the back, all the way across, then back down to fit that little section over there, and then take it back here if need to. All right guys, so this is where I have all the plugs hidden. I had to get like an extension cord because we're dealing with 2 different LED lights here. I still am not sure if they're going to be able to connect both. I'm pretty sure you could if you use the connector, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna have two separate ones, but they're the same exact ones. So I'll just have to turn them on twice through the app, which is not a big deal for me. Here is the 3M tape. You wanna make sure, last time when I was like taking it out, I actually took the tape part off as well. So you just gotta be careful. If it's not sticking right, that's probably because you removed the tape. So I'm just going to peel a little bit, and as I'm peeling, I am pressing on it hard so it's getting stuck. Alright guys, so we are almost done here. I actually did have to end up cutting the string light to make it fit all the way on the other side, so I'm not like wasting the light by going over it on this section. So I'm done with this section, but there's a little section over here that I want to finish that I have this much left to finish it up. So what I did is I went ahead and cut the string lights right where the gold is where you want to cut it. And I was eating hot Cheetos, so if you see them red, you know why? It's because I was having hot Cheetos. You're gonna get the connectors, which looks like this. You actually close them like this, and then you just open it up like so. It's a pain in the butt to open up. I had to use tweezers. So the idea of this, and I'm gonna test it right now and show you guys if it works. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to peel the little gel cover thing that's on this one. And I'm gonna have to slide it through one end right here, and then grab the other side there, and then that should connect it to this one. So before I talk some more, let me do that. Let me test it and see if it works, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys. This is so exhausting. Moment of truth. I'm gonna plug it back in. If you guys see this thing light up, that means it worked. If not, I'm gonna shoot myself. And it failed. All right, guys, I kind of want to kill myself right now because I literally, no exaggeration, spent maybe 2 hours trying to figure out how to connect the string light that I cut up to finish the closet connection. But after hours and hours literally trying to figure it out, I went online and I went on Amazon and read the instructions on the little description, and it says that these lights specifically cannot be cut. So typically you guys are able to cut them, but for some reason, and I wonder if it's because of the multicolor or the brand, I'm not sure, but these specific ones cannot be cut. So if you're going to get these lights, please don't waste your time or money by cutting them, because it's just not gonna work. You're just gonna have to get a whole new other cord if you want more to finish up whatever section you're doing. So I wasted my time and I wasted a good amount of string light. So I'm gonna have to buy some more to finish up the empty sections, but we're not about to do this for the 4th time, you guys, because it's taken far too long to try to get this video done. But I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I really love the way it looks so far. I have these colors going on. I have both of the string lights on right now. So I'm first gonna show you guys with the lights on in my room. I have the lights on in my room, and this is how it looks like. You can see this empty section. It's bothering me so much, but I'll get some more. So this is how it looks like with the lights on. I'm gonna turn all the lights off in my room and see what kind of vibe it gives me. All right, guys, so here are all the lights off in my room. I have some light coming through here, but for the most part, this is how it looks with the lights completely off. I am obsessed. I love it so much. Oh my God, it looks so much better on camera, actually. Look how pretty this is. And let me show you guys the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and do white. I'm gonna do like a warm white. This is for the first one. This is for the second one. I love the white so much. Different scenes, so we can do, this specific lights gives you like different scenes. So here's the snowflake. The annoying part is that you do have to change it on both, since I do have two different ones and I can't figure out for the life of me how to connect both of them. Apparently you can't. This is the snowflake. Here we have the romantic scene. There is a music scene here, which is so much fun. So the lights will change depending on the music of the room. But you guys can see just by my voice, it's moving. Hello, hi. So obviously when I talk, it moves. And when I'm not talking, it's not moving. All right guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and let me know if you guys have jumped into the whole LED trend that's been going on. I really like the vibe that it gives the room. So let me know if you guys try it. I am so glad I finally have these lights up. I've been wanting to have these lights up for months now, but didn't get around to it. So since, you know, we're quarantined, I finally got the chance to finally get them up. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you guys are new here, I would love it if you can subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.